Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create a pixel with Facebook ads. So go to here, Business Home. So it's business.facebook.com/home. So I'll just click it again. So you can see. Then you go to Business Settings. And then you're going to scroll down here to Data Sources. And then Pixels. And then right here, there's a blue button. Click Add. And you can create a pixel. So let's call it Demo Pixel. Continue. And then you're going to click on Set Up Pixel Now. And you can add the code here if you want. You can manually add it to your website. So you take that and put it in the header. That's fine. And then you can use event setups too. Now, if you're using a place like Gearbubble or Shineon's platform, this number is 292-109-934-145-1280. That's all you need. Okay, as far as that goes, that's the number you're going to put into Gearbubble. So, one last thing we have to do is we have to add ourselves to the pixel. So you're going to click on Add People, select yourself, and select yourself here as Manage Pixel and assign. Done. Then you're going to click on Add Assets, and you're going to assign an ad account to the pixel. So I'll just use this first one as an example. And then you click Add. Done. Now you and your ad account are assigned to this pixel. This pixel is what you're going to use in order to track things on Gearbubble. Okay? Hope that makes sense. Short, sweet, super easy. That's how you create a pixel, assign it to yourself, and assign it to your ad account. And you take that number and you plug it into Gearbubble.